In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively attach a PDF file to your invoice. This task may seem simple at first glance, but ensuring you perform each step accurately can save you time and potential errors down the line. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, so you can master this task with confidence. First, let's start with opening your invoice. Locate the invoice you'd like to work with in your billing system or PDF viewer, and double-click or select it to open up the document. It's important to ensure that the invoice you're accessing is the correct one to avoid any mix-ups. If your invoice system allows for searching, using the invoice number can be a quick way to find and confirm the right document. Once the invoice is open, scroll down towards the bottom of the page. This area is typically where you'll find options for additional actions, such as editing or attaching files. Keep an eye out for these options as you navigate to avoid missing them. Depending on the software you're using, you might notice some icons or buttons that allow for file attachments. Now, look for the button that says Attach File. It's usually located in an easily accessible position on the interface, but can vary slightly depending on the system. This button is your gateway to including extra documentation with your invoice. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. Doing this will open a prompt or a new window directing you to select the file you want to attach. A file directory will typically appear, showing folders and files stored on your device. Here's where you need to navigate to the folder that contains the PDF file you want to attach. Make sure it's the right file by checking the file name and its details. Click on your PDF file once you've identified it. After selecting your desired file, look for an Open or Upload button on your prompt. Clicking this will begin the process of attaching that PDF to your invoice. Depending on the software you're using, you might see an indication that the upload is in progress. Once completed, you should receive a confirmation that the file has been successfully attached. This is a crucial step that signifies everything is in place and ready to go. Before wrapping up, it's a best practice to save any changes you've made to the invoice. Look for a Save button on your screen, often at the bottom or in the top corner of your invoice interface. Clicking it will ensure that the attachment is applied and your invoice is updated with the new file. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully attached a PDF to your invoice. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to breeze through these steps and keep your invoicing process streamlined and efficient. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.